If log of root x square plus y square is equal to tan inverse of x by y, then dy by dx is equal to. So this is log of root x square plus y square. This is written as 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square is equal to tan inverse of x by y. Now take differentiation on both sides, that is 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square differentiation, that is 1 by x square plus y square into derivative of x square plus y square, that is 2x plus 2y y dash is equal to tan inverse x by y differentiation, that is 1 by 1 plus x square by y square into derivative of x by y, that is y into derivative of x is 1 minus x into derivative of y dash by y square. So here 2 common and cancelled, that is x plus y dash by x square plus y square, that is equal to, this is y square by y square plus x square into y minus xy dash by y square. So here y square cancel, x square plus y square cancel. From this, x plus y dash is equal to y minus xy dash. Take y dash common, that is y dash plus xy dash is equal to y minus x. So that is y dash into x plus y is equal to y minus x. Therefore, y dash is equal to y minus x by y plus x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y minus x by y plus x. Find dy by dx. If 2x square minus 3xy plus y square plus x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is a homogeneous equation. Taken this as f is equal to 2x square minus 3xy plus y square plus x plus 2y minus 8. So dy by dx is equal to, this is direct shortcut formula, that is minus fx by fy. Here fx means partial differentiation with respect to x and fy means partial differentiation with respect to y, that is minus fx. Take differentiation only x terms, y terms treated as constant, that is 2x square derivation, that is 4x minus 3y into x derivation 1, that is minus 3y plus y square differentiation, this is treated as constant, this is 0, plus x differentiation 1 plus 2y differentiation 0 minus 8 constant, that is also 0, by fy, that means partial differentiation with respect to y. So here x terms treated as constant, 2x square, this is constant 0 minus 3x into y differentiation 1, that is minus 3x plus y square differentiation 2y plus x treated as constant, this is 0 plus 2y differentiation plus 2 and minus 8 derivation is 0, that is equal to, so minus 4x minus plus 3y minus 1 by minus 3x plus 2y plus 2. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 3y minus 4x minus 1 by 2y minus 3x plus 2. If cos inverse of x square minus y square by x square plus y square is equal to sin inverse of a, then dy by dx is equal to, here is given cos inverse of x square minus y square by x square plus y square is equal to sin inverse of a. From this, x square minus y square by x square plus y square is equal to cos of sin inverse of a. From this is constant, this is total count, this is c. Here is, this is in the form of f of x comma y is equal to x square minus y square by x square plus y square. Here the function f of x comma y is homogeneous function. Homogeneous function. So derivative of this, that is df by dx, is always that is y by x. This is the answer. If y is equal to e power x into log x by x square, then dy by dx is. So applying log on both sides, that is log y is equal to log of e power x into log x by x square. So it is in the form of log m by n, that is log of e power x into log x minus log x square. So that is equal, it is in the form of log m into n, that is log e power x plus log of log x minus log x square, that is 2 log x. That is log e power x is, that is x log e value is 1, that is x plus log of log x minus 2 log x. This is log y. So now take differentiation on both sides. Log y differentiation is 1 by y into derivative of y is dy by dx. That is equal to derivative of x 1 plus log of log x differentiation, that is 1 by log x into log x differentiation 1 by x minus 2 into log x differentiation, that is 2 by x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y into 1 plus 1 by x log x minus 2 by x. That is equal to dy by dx is equal to y value, that is e power x into log x by x square. This is given in the problem, into take LCM. Here is x log x is LCM. So that is x log x plus 1 minus 2 log x. Here log x cancel, that is equal to e power x by x square into x, that is x cube into 1 plus take log x common, that is x minus 2 into log x. This is the dy by dx. If f of x is equal to x power 4 minus x cube plus 7x square plus 14, then what is the value of f double dash y? Here is given f of x, that is take differentiation on both sides. Derivative of f of x is f dash x, x power 4 differentiation, that is 4x cube minus x cube derivation, that is 3x square plus 7x square derivation, that is 14x. Again differentiation, that is f double dash x is equal to 4x cube differentiation, that is 12x square minus 3x square derivation, that is 6x plus 14 into x derivation 1. Now put x is equal to 5, that is f double dash 5 is equal to 12 into 5 square, that is 25 minus 6 into 5 plus 14, that is equal to 12 into 25, that is 300 minus 30 plus 14, that is 300 minus 30, 270, 270 plus 14, 284. So f double dash 5 is equal to 284. The derivative of y is equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x is equal to, here put x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta, that is y is equal to tan inverse of square root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by x, that is tan theta. That is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus tan square theta, under root of 1 plus tan square theta is secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. Now secant theta is written as 1 by cos theta and tan theta is 1 by sin theta by cos theta. That is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Here cos theta cancelled. So y is equal to tan inverse of, we know that 1 minus cos theta, that is 2 sin square theta by 2, by sine theta. This is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Here 2 cancel. 1 sine theta by 2 and sine theta by 2 cancel. That is equal to y is equal to tan inverse of sine theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. That is tan theta by 2. Here tan inverse tan cancel. Y is equal to theta by 2. That is 1 by 2 into theta. Now we know that x is equal to sub tan theta. This is theta is equal to tan inverse x. Substituting in this, y is equal to half into theta value is tan inverse of x. Therefore, differentiation on both sides. Derivative of y is dy by dx. That is equal to half into tan inverse x differentiation. 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. If 2 into f of sin x plus f of cos x is equal to x, then f dash x is. Here is given 2 into f of sin x plus f of cos x is equal to x. That is 2 into f of sin x plus f of cos x is equal to x. This is taken as first equation, replacing x by pi by 2 minus x. That is 2 into f of sin 90 minus x, that is cos x, plus f of cos 90 minus x, that is sin x, that is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So now eliminating f of cos x from these two equations. This is second equation. First equation multiplying by 2 minus second equation, that is 4 into f of sin x plus 2 into f of sin x is equal to 2x. Now second equation, that is f of sin x minus f of sin x minus 2 into f of, this is cos x, this is cos x, that is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So plus 2 f of cos x minus 2 f of cos x cancelled. From this, 4 f of sin x minus f of sin x, that is 3 into f of sin x is equal to 2x minus pi by 2 plus x, that is 3 into f of sin x is equal to 3x minus pi by 2. Replacing sin x by sin inverse x, that is 3 into f of x is equal to 3 sin inverse x minus pi by 2, that is replacing x by sin inverse x. Now take differentiation on both sides. 3 into f of x derivation, that is f dash x is equal to 3 into sin inverse x differentiation, 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus pi by 2 derivation 0. Both sides 3 cancelled. Therefore, f dash x is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. If y is equal to tan inverse of 4x by 1 plus 5x square plus tan inverse of 2 plus 3x by 3 minus 2x, then dy by dx is. So here is given y is equal to tan inverse of, this 4x is written as 5x minus x by 1 plus 5x square. This is 5x into x plus tan inverse of, here take 3 common, that is 2 by 3 plus x by denominator 3 common, that is 1 minus 2 by 3 into x. Here 3 cancel. So that is equal to tan inverse of, this is in the form of a minus b by 1 plus ab. This is the tan inverse 5x minus tan inverse x, plus here tan inverse of a plus b by 1 minus ab. This is the tan inverse of 2 by 3 plus tan inverse x. Here plus tan inverse x minus tan inverse x cancel. So y is equal to tan inverse of 5x plus tan inverse of 2 by 3. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse 5x, that is 1 by 1 plus 5x whole square into derivative of 5x is 5 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. This is constant, derivative is 0, that is equal to 5 by 1 plus 25x square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 5 by 1 plus 25x square. If d by dx of x power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 is equal to ax plus b, then a minus b is, here is given numerator value is x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 1. This x power 4 is written as x square whole square, add x square and subtracting x square, that is 2x square plus 1 is written as 1 square minus x square. This is a plus b whole square, that is x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. So now it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is x square plus 1 plus x into x square plus 1 minus x. So this is x power 4 plus x square plus 1 by dividing by x square plus x plus 1, that is equal to x square plus 1 minus x. Now take differentiation on both sides, that is d by dx of this is equal to d by dx of x square plus 1 minus x, that is derivative of x square is 2x plus 1 derivative 0 minus x derivation minus 1. This value is given in the problem, that is ax plus b. Equating x coefficients, that is a is equal to 2 and constant terms b is equal to minus 1. Now we find the value of a minus b, that is 2 minus half minus 1, that is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore a minus b is equal to 3. E by dx of 1 plus x square into tan inverse x is, we know that it is in the form of d by dx of uv. So that is equal to uv into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Here u value is 1 plus x square and v is tan inverse x. Substituting in this, that is u 1 plus x square into d by dx of tan inverse x plus v, that is tan inverse x into d by dx of 1 plus x square, that is equal to 1 plus x square into d by dx of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x into d by dx of 1 plus x square, that is 2x. Here 1 plus x square cancelled, that is equal to 1 plus 2x into tan inverse of x. This is the derivation of the given function. Eliminating small a and small b from the relation y is equal to a log x plus b, we get, here is given relation is y is equal to a into log x plus b. Take differentiation on both sides. Derivative of y is y dash, that is dy by dx, a into log x differentiation, that is 1 by x plus derivative of b is 0, that is constant. From this xy dash is equal to a. Again differentiating on both sides, this is uv process, x into y dash derivation, that is y double dash plus y dash into derivative of x is 1, that is equal to derivative of a is 0. So x y double dash plus y dash is equal to 0. Here eliminating a and b from the given relation. If y is equal to log cos hx, then d square y by dx square is, here is given y is equal to log of cos hx. So take differentiation on both sides. Derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to log x differentiation, that is 1 by x, that means 1 by cos hx into d by dx of derivative of cos hx. that is equal to 1 by cos hx into derivative of cos x. This is sin hx, that is equal to tan hx. So dy by dx is equal to tan hx. Now again differentiation on both sides, that is derivative of dy by dx is d square y by dx square, and the derivative of tan hx, that is secant h square x. This is the required answer. The derivative of y is equal to sin inverse of root over 1 plus x minus root over 1 minus x by 2. Here put x is equal to cos 2 theta. We know that root over 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to root 2 into cos theta, and root over 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to root 2 into sin theta. So that is y is equal to sin inverse of root over 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root over 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. That is equal to sin inverse of root over 1 plus cos theta, that is root 2 cos theta minus root 2 into sin theta by 2. That is equal to y is equal to sin inverse of, this is root 2 cos theta by 2, that is 1 by root 2 into cos theta minus root 2 by 2 into sin theta. This is 1 by root 2 into sin theta. So that is equal to sin inverse of 1 by root 2, that is sin 45 cos theta minus, here this is 1 by root 2 cos 45 into sin theta. So that is equal to sin inverse of, this is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is sin of A minus B, that is sin of pi by 4 minus theta. Here sin inverse sin cancelled, y is equal to pi by 4 minus theta. Now substituting theta value, that is cos 2 theta is equal to x. 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x. Theta is equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse x. So y is equal to pi by 4 minus theta is 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So now take differentiation. So derivative of y is dy by dx, derivative of pi by 4 0 minus 1 by 2 into derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Here minus minus plus, therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square